If you are loading a Milwaukee jigsaw, make sure the batteries are out. You never want to have the batteries in while you're doing something like this. Pinch them, get them out. Then you flip it over to this side with the label and you will see this lever right there. Push that up and then you basically push this up against your chest. That's what I do, so you have a free hand there. And you pull this, as you will see, that will turn. See that? As I pull it, it goes from horizontal to vertical. And that is where we put the blade. This one is for tile and whatnot. It's got that diamond tip on it. Not a very long one. Usually they are a little bit longer, but you don't put it in like this because it's not going to do anything. You have to pull right here with that lever. Make sure that the serrated part is facing outward. Get that in, press down a little bit, and then let go. And you want to yank it, just give it a tiny bit of a tug, and it needs to be seated properly in there. You see this one is not seated properly. We'll do that again. You want to get it lined up right there with the wheel. Hold it down and then let go. That is seated properly. And then you push this all the way in. Then you can go ahead and get the battery in and give it a whirl and make sure that it is lined up. What you do is you look at it like this. Don't look straight down. Make sure to wear some safety glasses. You just want to make sure it's going straight back and forth and not wobbling. And if it's not seated right, it will likely just fly out. Put that in, and here we go. Make sure your hands are completely free. Lock off. And to detach, push the lock in, get the battery back out. On this side, lift the lever up, then pull right here. Again, and sometimes this will actually shoot right out. Yeah, I don't know if you heard that, but it's got a little spring in it. It pops out. That's why when you push this down in, you want to be sure to push a little bit of pressure, and then it'll get in. Let's see if I can spring it out. Yeah, see, it just jumps out. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped somebody. If it did, please consider subscribing and have a safe day out there using your Milwaukee tools. Thanks. Bye.